I use a number 4 guard throughout the sides and throughout the back and through here, which is a really, really good length. And I did everything by hand, blending this up into this area. And using scissors over comb really makes the softest type of blend for a haircut like this. So now let's talk about the back. What I did is I created a blended shape going from here, working upwards throughout here to where the hair is about, I'd say, an inch and a half in length, right in through here. The most, you don't want to go too long or too short, but it really, if you want a shorter version of this, go ahead. Then what I did is I worked forward, creating horizontal sections all the way to the very, very top. Again, keeping that consistent, inch and a half length into the front, probably about 2 inches or so. And how I got the wispy kind of section in through here and the wispy front is I literally just used a razor, as you saw in the video, and the razor really gives it a soft, really kind of piecey look. And that's what I love about Demi's haircut, is that it's just so, like, you can just mess it up like this and you have an awesome type of haircut. And then if you want to make those pieces, you can literally just use your fingers like this and style them out. What I did do when styling the hair is I used my talc, which is my matte styling powder, right in through here. And talc is a really great product. You just dab it on. Sometimes you have to dab the top a little bit just to bring the powder back down, and then you can sprinkle it on, and it really works into the hair great. It's also amazing for taming, right? It's amazing for taming the hair, especially if you have a lot of flyaways. It's really a great product for adding texture and separation and a really, really matte, pliable type of finish. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube and then 20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, you get 20% off, which is an exclusive deal just for YouTube viewers, and it's free shipping in the United States.